Hello everybody. Today I learned some important things about fabrics and textiles. Let me share with them with you. Firstly, talk about the fabric compositions. I learned how to identify the composition of a fabric. Fabric composition tells us what fibers are used to make with fabric, such as cotton, polyester, silk or wool. Knowing the composition is important because it is affects the feel, strength, durability and care of the fabric. About the yarn count, I also learned about the yarn count. Yarn count is the system used to describe the thickness of yarn. There are different methods to calculate it. I like the English system NE. The yarn count help us to understanding the fineness of the fabric. Fabric type, is it spun or filament? So I learned how to check the fabric is made from spun yarns or filament yarns. So spun yarns are made by twisting short fibers together like cotton or wool, and filament yarns are made from long continuous fibers like silk or polyester. The distinction of is the distinction is important because it affects the texture, strength and appearance of the fabric. So calculate the fabric NE, which is the English cotton count number. So I learned how to calculate the English cotton count of a fabric. So this involving knowing the weight of the yarn and its length, which helps in identifying the yarn's thickness and quality. Checking the fabric under a microscope. So for the first time I'm learning that examine a fabric under a microscope. By looking at the fiber closely, we can see the structure of the fiber. Is it natural or synthetic, or even check the defects or irregularities. This is very helpful in the quality assurance and textile research. So in the conclusion, I can say what I have learned today. So the first one is the fabric composition. Identify the fabric compositions and understand the calculation of yarn count, differentiation between the spun and filament fabrics, calculate the NE of a fabric, check the fabric under a microscope. So I think this knowledge will help me to understand in the future about the fabric and the textile research. Thank you.